In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment gateways in Zoho Commerce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect as you connect a payment solution for your online store. Start by opening your browser and searching for Zoho. Head to the official Zoho website and sign in to your Zoho account. If you have multiple organizations, make sure you're in the right one for the store you want to configure. If two-factor authentication is enabled, complete that step so you land safely on your dashboard. From the Zoho launcher or app switcher, select Commerce. This takes you into the e-commerce workspace where all store settings live. If you manage more than one store, confirm you're in the correct store before proceeding. You'll typically see the store name near the top of the screen. Next, open Settings. Think of Settings as the control room for your storefront. This is where you'll manage everything from taxes and shipping to payments. Inside Settings, look for Online Payments. This section centralizes all payment-related options, making it easy to choose and configure the gateway your customers will use at checkout. On the Online Payments page, you'll see Zoho Payments listed as the preferred gateway. Click Set Up Now. Zoho Payments is designed to integrate smoothly with Zoho Commerce, reducing friction during onboarding and helping you get operational faster. If your region supports it, this can be the most straightforward route. Once you click Set Up Now, follow the prompts for your selected payment gateway. The onboarding flow may ask for your business details, legal name, address, and verification documents, as well as bank account information for payouts. You'll typically have options to enable specific payment methods like cards and wallets based on your country and currency. Keep an eye out for settings related to transaction currencies, settlement timelines, and payout schedules. If there's a toggle for test or live mode, start in test mode. If you want to review the flow without processing real charges, then switch to live when you're ready. As you complete each screen, review any fees, supported regions, and dispute policies provided by the gateway. Make sure the billing address and currency settings in your store match what your gateway supports to prevent checkout errors. When the prompts are done, save your settings. You'll see the gateway status reflected in the online payments area, confirming that your store is ready to accept payments. That's it. Your payment gateway is set up in Zoho Commerce. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.